In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a reference in Mendeley. Now, there's actually a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you all of them right now. Now, the first and the easiest way to do that is if you already have your PDFs. So if you do, if you have just a few, you could go ahead and just drag and drop them in here like this. And then when you do so, it's going to start uploading your file. And whenever that comes to 100%, you'll be able to basically import that very easily. Okay, so let me wait for this. There we go. As you can see, it just uploaded a over here like a reference. I can click on it and then I can edit it. I can do whatever I want in case it didn't get anything wrong. Okay, so that's the first way to do this. That's the first way to add the reference. The same thing is going to happen if you click on add references top left, and if you click on import files or folders, you'll still be able to do that as well. Okay, so you'll be able to find it like this, and you'll be able to click on it and open it in here just like that, just as I showed you. That's the first way to add a reference. The second one is adding it manually. So you could go to add references and then add reference manually, and you'll be able to type in your identifiers, your reference type, title, authors, journal, etc. There's a bunch of things you could do over here, and when you do that, click on add entry, and you'll be able to basically add that specific reference here inside your Mendeley database, okay? Your references library. So that's the second way to do this. But then there's also more convenient ways, such as using their web extension, okay? Let me show you how to use that right now. So you'll basically have to use their web importer. Now, the way this web importer works, I'm going to show you in just a second over here. Let me open up Scholar on Google just so I can show you. There we go. As you can see, I'm in Google Scholar, and I have this Mendeley web importer, of course, installed. So you can get this, you can just go to Mendeley, and then over here, you can just go to Tools up top, and then here it says Install Mendeley Web Importer. You can click on this. It's going to take you to their website over here, where you can basically get it for Chrome or whatever you're using, okay? So let me go back to Scholar right now to show you. There we go. I'm just going to find a random article. I'm going to type in sport. And we're going to find the first one over here. There we go. Let's say this is the one I'm looking for. I'm going to click on it. And then whenever you are on that specific page, you can just click on the Mendeley up top, this logo. Of course, if you haven't pinned it, you're going to have it in here, but you can just pin it so we can always see it. And then you can basically see all the articles on this page, and you can just click on the one you want to add. In my case, this is this one over here. Click on add to Mendeley, and it's going to get added. You can then go back inside your Mendeley, and as you can see here, it just got added like that as well. So that's also a possibility that you have, and this is actually quite convenient and quick. So that's the second thing you can do. But then there's also more ways to do this, and one of them, which I like really much, because sometimes this may not work, or like you may not want to use it for whatever reason, is the following. So you can just find a random article, whichever article you want. You can find it whatever. You could go to like Google Scholar. You can find it on ResearchGate, whatever you want to use, and then just find the title of it. So for example, I'm going to type in Sport, Modernity and the Body. Let's say this one. Then you can go inside Mendeley, go to up top where it says Tools, and then click on Search for Articles Online. This is going to open at mendeley.com, and this is where you can search for articles. So I usually just type in that specific article and click on the search button, and it's going to find it. There we go, it's over here. And then to actually add it, you can just click on Add to Library, and it's going to add this to library. You can click this anywhere you want, and those are going to get added inside your library. So if I now go back to Mendeley, as you can see, these two have been added. So that's essentially how to add references in Mendeley. There's a few different ways to do this. All of them are quite convenient. Use the one that you want. I usually use a mixture, and yeah, that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.